Hydrogen. It's the ultimate sustainable, eco-friendly energy source of the future. So, how will hydrogen energy transform our world? Are fuel cell electric vehicles truly safe? In Part 4, let's delve into the truth and misconceptions of fuel cell electric vehicles. Is there any chance that the hydrogen used for fuel cell electric vehicles could explode? Despite the preconception that hydrogen is dangerous, it is in fact safer than other fuels. The auto-ignition temperature of hydrogen is higher than that of gasoline or diesel, and since it is 14 times lighter than air, it disperses quickly into the atmosphere. Therefore, even if there is a leakage, the chances of it leading to a fire or explosion are very low. In other words, hydrogen disperses quickly into the air, lowering the possibility of combustion, making it relatively safer than other fuels. Does that mean there is no danger of hydrogen exploding? No. All gases have the risk of exploding depending on pressure. However, we are already using high-pressure gases, such as liquefied petroleum gas and compressed natural gas in our daily lives. That means that if we adhere to basic safety precautions, there won't be any problems. In the case of hydrogen, there is no danger in its gas form, but in order to increase its efficiency, a tremendous amount of pressure is applied to it, 700-fold of atmospheric pressure. The higher the pressure, the higher the risk of explosion. But as long as safety precautions are taken, using hydrogen is entirely safe. Since steel fuel tanks can explode in extremely hot flames. Hydrogen fuel tanks are made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, which is 10 times stronger than steel. In addition, fireproof material is applied to both the inside and outside surfaces. And when exposed to flame, safety valves release the internal pressure quickly to ensure safety. However, in the event of a fire, the tank will be damaged by hot flames, regardless of its material type. But instead of exploding, a hydrogen tank made with carbon fiber reinforced plastic, which is basically like thread, will rip apart when hit with great force, causing the hydrogen to quickly disperse into the air. Let's examine how safe Hyundai's fuel cell electric vehicle, Nexo, is. All fuel cell electric vehicles currently sold in South Korea have passed the Korea Transportation Safety Authority's assessment test, as well as the UK's Vehicle Certification Agency's safety test. They have also passed the Vehicle Safety Test and Hydrogen Tank certifications of Germany's Technical Inspection Association, the TÜV. Also in 2018, Nexo was chosen as the safest SUV in Europe and the first to receive a Top Safety Pick Plus in a collision test by a U.S. nonprofit Vehicle Safety Institute. Nexo received Good, the highest rating, in 6 rating categories that included moderate overlap front, driver side small overlap front, passenger side small overlap front, side roof strength, head restraint, and seat. Additionally, it is undergoing several hydrogen fuel tank safety assessments, including burst, drop, flame, and extreme temperature tests. Now that the safety of fuel cell electric vehicles is validated, it's time for the entire world to race full speed ahead into an age of fuel cell electric vehicles. Why don't we go take one out for a spin? But first, we need to fuel up. You might wonder, are hydrogen stations safe? Most hydrogen-related accidents are due to inadequate maintenance. Just like gasoline or LPG fueling stations, Hydrogen fueling stations are subject to strict safety regulations and can be operated without any major risks. As of 2019, there were approximately 370 hydrogen stations worldwide. The fact that hydrogen stations are being built in central Berlin, Germany, the Tokyo Tower in Japan, and the National Assembly in South Korea means its safety has been proven. The age of fuel cell electric vehicles is fast approaching. They are the future of automotive transportation. Fuel cell electric vehicles are eco-friendly, economical, and safe. If your next choice is a fuel cell electric vehicle, a brighter future will unfold.